Piu! Mir hat der Schwenker auf die... Piu! Hä? Hä? Noch kurz was zu trinken gemacht. Minecraft.
You will? Alright, thank you. I've got a feeling that this gonna be great. In that case, we better come up with a name.
A name for our comedy duo?
That's right. I can actually think of a few right now off the bat. Let's see, which one do you like?
Haru and Haru. The Love Makers. Verstehst du wegen Love? Love? Der Mola Mola.
Mola Mola.
Ich finde die Love Makers gut. Oder Haru und Haru. Haru and Haru. 1 oder 2? Haru Haru. Okay. I like Haru and Haru.
Yeah. Your name starts with Haru and my name starts with Haru. It's a dang perfect name for the perfect team. Great. Now we got an all-star name, I'm sure we're gonna be a big hit. Well, I hate to rush you, but are you ready to go now? The audition is about to start.
You mean right now? But I'm not ready.
Hey, a good comedian's gotta go with the flow. Learn to handle whatever comes their way. It's important to know how to wing it. You have to be able to take a sudden pressure like this in a stride.
I see.
What's a little audition? No big deal, right? You can do this. Now, how about we get to the event hall?
You're right. I can do this. Haruka. Haruka.
They are holding the comedian audition here. Today is the first round. Those who pass all 3 rounds get the spot on the comedy show.
I see. But I'm only helping out today, okay? What will I do for the second round?
Well, I will worry about when it comes to it. I'm sure everything will all work out here.
Oh, okay then. Our turn is coming up soon, right? I'm feeling a little nervous.
Just be yourself. You're gonna do fine, Aoka-chan. How about we race a little? I will bring up a topic and you interject with something that fits.
What do you mean, interject?
You know, keep the conversation flowing. By saying stuff like,
is that so?
Your interjection set the pace on the conversation.
That sounds tricky.
No need to overthink it. It's just like a normal conversation, you see? And when I say something silly, you hammer it home with something kinda clever. Like,
what the hell are you thinking? I see.
You got a natural talent, so I know you will come up with the wittiest comebacks. Just pick one that you think worked the best. And you will be splitting sides like a comedian lumberjack.
I will give it a shot.
That's the spirit. If all goes well, we will get the crowd and the judges on our side. That's how we gonna pass.
Got it.
Haru and Haru. Oh, der Lofter Gorge.
はるかちゃんって彼氏おらへんの？そら寂しい青春過ごしてますな。それに比べて僕はすごいね。
そうなんですわ。
僕ね、昔は悪でしてね、ちょい悪ってやつですわ。
そうなんですわ。
で、高校の頃とかみんなそういうのに憧れるやないですか。せやから僕も結 構モテてたんですわ。
もうええわ。
で学校の校門とかで「あ今帰り?」なんて偶然装って寄ってくるんですよ。一緒に行こうなんて言うて、
付き合ったんかい。
僕もまんざらやないから「おおー」とか言ってついてってな、
そらすごいな。
そのまま校舎裏でボコボコですわ。
ヤンキーやないか。
それだけやあらへんねん。朝学校行ってな、下駄箱こう開けるやろ、
なるほど。
バッサーって出てくるねん。もう読み切れへんくらいのラブレターや。
そうなんですわ。
大体の内容は同じやねん。もしよかったら付き合ってください。
おお、来たでこれ。
しないで。
ヤンキーやないか。
Shit, Alter. Ich konnte nicht lesen.
あなたのことばかり考えてます。
これは来たで。
あなたの声、あなたの瞳、あなたの唇、すべて好きです。
ヤンキーやないか。
俺と付き合ってください。
これは来たで。
さすがにその人とは1年で別れましたけどね。
お、
そんなこんなで僕今まで彼女できたことないんですわ。
そらすごいな。どうも
ありがとうございました。
Alter, war das schwer. Haru und Haru stinkt. Boo. You suck. Go home. War richtig schnell. Ich musste unten lesen und oben gleichzeitig lesen und dann noch auf die Leiste achten. Junge, Junge, Junge. Ja, wenn man Japanisch versteht, dann geht auf jeden Fall klar, aber...
Oh, it ain't your fault, Haruka-chan. I know you got what it takes to pull this off. We just got unlucky. Cheer up. We can keep it trying for this audition as many times as we want. No point dwelling on the past. Let's go get our act together and give it another shot. Okay. We got some time to spare now. Let's meet back up here later.
Okay. Verstehe, also ich kann es einfach normal probieren, oder was? Mach normal, okay. Give it a try. This time we're gonna kill it.
はるはるずです。はるかちゃんって彼氏おらへんの？
もうええわ。
寂しい青春過ごしてますな。それに比べて僕はすごいね。
ほんまですの？
僕ね、昔は悪でしてね、ちょい悪ってやつですわ。
なるほど。
で、高校の頃とかみんなそういうのに憧れるやないですか。せやから僕も結構モテてたんです。
ほうほう。
で、学校の校門とかで「あ今帰り?」なんて偶然装って寄ってくるんですよ。一緒に行こうなんて言うて、
付き合ったんかい。
僕もまんざらやないから「おおー」とか言ってついてってな、
ええやん。
そのまま校舎裏でボコボコですわ。
なるほど。
それだけやあらへんねん。朝学校行ってな、下駄箱こう開けるやろ、
もうええわ。
バッサーって出てくるねん。もう読み切れへんくらいのラブレターや。
ほうほう。
大体の内容は同じやねん。もしよかったら付き合ってください。
おお、来たでこれ。
しないで。
ヤンキーやないか。
他にもあんねん。初めて見た時からあなたのことばかり考えてます。
これは来たで。
あなたの声、あなたの瞳、あなたの唇、すべて好きです。
ついに来たんちゃうこれ。
俺と付き合ってください。
俺って男やん。
さすがにその人とは1年で別れましたけどね。
そうなんですわ。もう
そんなこんなで僕今まで彼女できたことないんですわ。
ええわ。どうもありがとうございました。
Das war schon mal besser. Dude. That ain't the best we could have done.
I know. I'm sorry.
Oh, was? Ich dachte 76%. Lachen ist genug. Oder was? Give it a try. Try it. Kannst nicht pausieren. Und dann entspannt lesen. Ich guck mal. Ich glaube aber nicht.
はるかちゃんって彼氏おら
Nee, kann ich nicht.
へんの
そうなんですわ。
寂しい青春過ごしてますな。それに比べて僕はすごいね。
ほんまですの？
僕ね、昔は悪でしてね、ちょい悪ってやつですわ。
そうなんですわ。
で、高校の頃とかみんなそういうのに憧れるやないですか。せやから僕も結構モテてたんだ。
ほうほう。
で、学校の校門とかで「あ、今帰り?」なんて偶然装って寄ってくるんですよ。一緒に行こうなんて言うて、
そらすごいな。
僕もまんざらやないから「おお」とか言ってついてってな。
ええやん。
そのまま校舎裏でボコボコですわ。
ヤンキーやないか。
それだけやあらへんねん。朝学校行ってな、下駄箱こう開けるやろ。
ほ
バッサーって出てくるねん。もう読み切れへんくらいのラブレターや。
うほう。
大体の内容は同じやねん。もしよかったら付き合ってください。
おお、来たでこれ。
しないで。
ヤンキーやないか。
他にもあんねん。初めて見た時からあなたのことばかり考えてます。
これは来たで。
あなたの声、あなたの瞳、あなたの唇、すべて好きです。
ついに来たんちゃうこれ。
俺と付き合ってください。
俺って男やん。
さすがにその人とは1年で別れましたけどね。
付き合ったんかい。
そんなこんなで僕今まで彼女できたことないんですわ。
そらすごいな。
どうもありがとうございました。
80%, reicht das? Als er gesagt hat, nee, es gibt nicht wirklich einen, Guide dazu. Ich habe mal geguckt gehabt. Es gibt so Antworten zwar, die man auswählen kann, aber die haben irgendwie nicht wirklich gestimmt. Als er gesagt hatte, hat sich herausgestellt, hättest du safe antworten müssen. Du bist trotzdem mit ihm ausgegangen. Ja, manchmal kam ich nicht hinterher mit dem Lesen und gleichzeitig gucken.
My heart was racing. I'm so glad it went well. If you were the real deal, your timing would be great, Haruka-chan. Now we passed the first round.
Oh mein Gott. Okay, es geht also weiter. Ja, RIP. Rippus, Mios.
You saved my bacon. I'm so glad I could help, but what was that, just round 1 audition, right? Aren't there more after this? Yeah, that's the truth, but I don't want to bother you. I will just find a new partner for the rest of the audition, I guess. I see. Well, I hope you find someone. It could be a really shame to fail after all this got so far. Aoka-chan, I know I usually the fool, but I gotta be straight with you for once. I wish you and I could keep together with a little longer. You do? I mean, yeah. We're pretty good together up there, don't you think?
Na klar, nach 3 Versuchen waren wir super.
I bet you could get pretty far, you and me. Think you could stick along? I don't know. Well, it's no skin off my back if you can't. I understand, but if you get ever the urge to do something comedy, I'm always here to split down sides and slap up knees. I hang around in this area a lot, so you would be able to find me if you go looking. Don't let me all the gliss and the starlight up on that idol stage blind you. You always got a place here. Alright, Haruo. Thank you, I won't forget. I'll be back if I ever change my mind. Oh, by the way, this is a prize for you. Toughness ZZ, Alter. See you around.
Use the item box. So. Speichern. Was haben wir hier? Aus dem Weg. Was bist du? Pardon me, miss. May I ask you a question?
Me? Would you by any chance consider yourself a gamer? A gamer? You know, a gamer. A person who likes to play video games. Klar, ich bin der übelste Gamer. Yes, I suppose I do like video games. I knew it. In that case, could you spare a moment of your time? It's right this way. What do you want me to do? Oh, I apologize. I should have been more clear. It's nothing weird, I can assure you. If you could just spare a minute, you will be back in no time. Doctor, I bought a girl gamer. I'm sorry it took so long. Ah. At long last, now we can finally begin the experiment. Experiment? What kind of experiment? I'm Dr. Minamida. And this device is the new version of my fighting simulator, Inner Fighter 8 Road to Battle. Inner Fighter? We call it IF-8 for short. IF-8 is a revolutionary gaming device on my own invention. It utilizes special electromagnetic waves to allow the player to play inside their own head. We'd like you to test it out. I'm afraid I still don't really know. I'm not surprised, my dear. IF-8 is still in the development, you see. So if I'm indeed its creator, there's still a lot about it I don't understand myself, though. We need to test it. And this particular IF-8 is a female version. I've modified it to specially suited to female gamers like you. My assistant here was so proud of his modification that I rushed to Osaka to see it. But apparently it's only suited to female players. And here you are. So, I would be the very first one to use it? Precisely. But there's absolutely nothing to be afraid of, my dear. I'm sure you will enjoy it immensely. In this game, you will become a magical heroine and combat fearsome enemies deep in your mind. Haven't you always dreamed of something like that? I suppose when I was younger. Well, this game makes that dream reality. But instead of trying to explain, perhaps I should just let you try it for yourself. Are you ready? Oh, just a moment, Doctor. Before she tests it, she will need to sign the agreement we talked about. Agreement? We must maintain absolutely secret around the IF-8 projection, while it's being developed. We therefore need you to sign a non-disclosure agreement. A non-disclosure agreement? Well, I don't know about signing something so suddenly like that. Your cooperation would be most appreciated. It isn't easy to acquire a female game tester on that one you might think, huh? Would you please consider helping us? The chance to become the magical heroine of your dreams is just a sign away. Alright.
Ich war kein Beta-Player, ich war Alpha-Player.
Ach, die macht jetzt den Kirito. Ich habe gelesen, den Kirio. Alright, where do I sign? Wonderful, my dear. My assistant here will prepare the document for you. Meanwhile, I'll be getting the device ready.
Ready.
Now, before you begin, allow me to explain the particulars. IF-8 has player move along a city and vanish enemies using the magical powers. A powerful boss awaits you at the end. Defeat this boss and you will receive a boost to your abilities. Not those of those player character, but your own. You mean my own personal abilities will increase if I win the game? Precisely. But I'm afraid we are still in the process of gathering data, so only one city is available for play at the moment.
You will be able to play other cities once we've collected enough data, but unfortunately you will have to wait until that.
Honestly, one play will cost you 10,000 yen. But for this first time, we will let you test it free of charge. Well, that about covers it. You can try it out right away, or if you prefer, you can have me explain it.
Play the game. Play the game. Play the game.
Haruka Online! Ah.
Weiter.
Oh mein Gott, mit dem Stab. Ey! So yeah. Sailor Moon Shot. Ha! Yatta! Richtiges Drecksgame. Ha!
Schmeckt nach Scheiße, not gonna lie.
Krass. Haruka Magical Girl. Magical Girl, Mai. It looked like you cleared it. Congratulations. You're welcome to play back. Ah, danke, ciao, Alter. Selbst für so ein... Selbst wenn das Spiel noch in der Entwicklung ist, da müsst ihr noch viel dran arbeiten.
Lame, scheiß Game.
Boing. Was war hier? Ach so, die Telefonzelle. Oh, hello. Are you interested into broadcasting, communications, or becoming an announcer? Our school will give you a specialized training. We are the Sotenbaui Announcer School, and right now we are offering a free introduction class. A free class? That's right. More than 90% of the students who gave graduation from our program have landed broadcasting or other voice-related jobs. We've put up together a Witch Circle curriculum, which trains the broadcasting student in enunciation, intonation, diction, and proper language usage. Are you interested in becoming an announcer? Me? Not really, no. Our course is perfect for anyone who wants to work in a voice-related field. Voice actors, TV talent, narrators, presenters. Oh, I see. A lot of those skills sounds like they might be helpful in my line of work. Would you at least like to try our introduction class? It's completely free. You can even take it right now if you want to have no time. Or warum nicht, komm. Alright, I give it a try. Thank you for coming. The class will begin momentarily. Huh? Am I the only student? Yes, I'm afraid. No one else has expressed an interest in the moment. But you're in luck. Now you will have received a teacher's attention. Oh, hello there. Sorry I have to keep you waiting. I'm Sigusa, the headmaster of the school. Well, what a pretty young student you have found us, Fujimoto-san. Perfect for a career in broadcasting. Yes, forgive me. I forgot to introduce myself, didn't I? My name is Fujimoto. And you are? Oh, my name is Haruka Sawamura. Oh, what a pleasant voice, and you're a young student, as. And our curriculum could help you polish and refine your speech quality even further. Now then, Sigusa-sensei, if you would start the lesson. Alright, well, Sawamura-san, it looked like you're the only one here, so let's begin.
Hi.
Okay. We will begin the lesson with a proper language usage. As you know, many people are guilty of misusing language in their everyday lives. Of course, this doesn't pose much of a problem when speaking to friends or family, but it wouldn't do for an announcer speaking on national TV. How embarrassing it would be to make a mistake when speak in front of millions. That would be embarrassing, wouldn't it? This brings us to the first problem to consider. I will give you 3 sentences. You will tell me which one of them contains a mistake. So I choose the mistake that is the sentence that is incorrect? Precisely. Here we go. Which sentence has a mistake in it? He is just as tall as Alyssa and I. Alyssa and me did our homework together. This is as good as it gets for Alyssa and me. Ja, der erste. I think number 1. He is just as tall as Alyssa and I is incorrect. Oh, too bad. That one is correct. Some people say as tall as me, but as is a conjunction and pronoun form have to match on each side. Oh. Thank you, Sensei, Alter. Right. He is the subjective case of the pronoun, so I must be the subjective case. Ah. Macht Sinn, ja. Yet one is the incorrect number is number 2. Alyssa and me did our homework together. Alyssa and me? Alyssa and I did our homework together. Well, the people who did their homework are a subject of the sentence, so the pronoun should be the subject form. In example, I, not me. Yup. Oh, I see. You do have a kind of thing quite along, though.
Yeah.
Yes. Commonly used and readily understood, but incorrect nonetheless. Let's continue on the next problem, shall we? Now then, which one of these 3 sentences contains a mistake? I literally cried for an hour. I will do it regardless of the cost. If I'd known, I would have done it different. I would have done? I would have done it differently, oder was? Also hätte ich jetzt auch gesagt. If I'd known, I would have done it. Wonderful, you're correct.
Okay, das war ein bisschen leichter, ja.
Could you please explain what the mistake is?
Oh, ihr lernt mal was, Alter.
I'm appealed. How can you not claim that we present our school with such shaky understanding of the language? Please forgive me. It should be would have, not would have. People misinterpret would have as would have.
Wirklich?
Fairly often in colloquial speech. But they are in fact incorrect. Interesting, isn't it? Let's keep it up, shall we? Now then, which one of these sentences? I accidentally took the wrong bus. He made a complete 180-degree turnabout. I love fruit, e.g. bananas and grapes. Turn around, nicht turn about.
Hä? Wer misunderstandet das?
I think number 2.
Yeah.
No, actually, that one is fine. The one that is incorrect is number 1. I accidentally took the wrong bus. Turnabout? Das heißt doch turn around, oder was? Ist das Scam? Really? What's wrong with that one? It should be accidentally.
Ach, auf die Rechtschreibung habe ich doch jetzt nicht geachtet, Junge.
Aber ich hätte trotzdem, glaube ich, das zweite genommen. Oh, I see. Oh my goodness. I didn't even notice it.
Ist so.
I only came because she said it was free, but I guess they are going to try to persuade me to sign up. Well, that's enough of our introduction to proper language usage. There are other skills that need to be cultivated as well as voice-related work. But what do you think? So far, Sawamura-san, our course is packed up with useful information, wouldn't you agree? Yes, of course. I sincerely hope to enroll and continue studying with us. Now don't go ahead of yourself, Segusa-sensei. The class isn't over just yet. Right, now. Through the usage of tongue twisters, we will be practicing able to speak rapidly yet clearly, and a sensual skill for an announcer. Tongue twisters? That's right. Clear enunciation and fluent are essentials for any voice-related career. Are you ready to start? I will give you a tongue twister and you will say it as fast as you can.
Wie soll das denn funktionieren?
Turn about. Ich bin immer noch...
Ich muss das kurz mal googeln. Immer noch ein bisschen baff von diesem zweiten Ding jetzt. Turn about or turn around. Turnabout is a synonym for turn around and change topics.
I'm in danger.
Employees regarded the latest turnabout. Okay. Okay, my bad, yo. Ah, she sells seashells. She sells... Oh nein! Jetzt habe ich gedrückt, ohne zu lesen.
Too slow. I'm afraid you took too long. Sawamura-san, the point is to say it quickly as you can.
Ja, ich war nicht ready, Junge. Peter Piper. Peter Piper picked a pack of pepper pickers. Piglet peppers. Oh mein Gott, ich kann nicht so schnell lesen, Junge.
すみません。
Okay. Many an anemone sees an enemy anemone. And please note it's pronounced ne. Many an anemone sees an enemy anemone. Anemone? Those colorful sea creatures with the tentacles, right? Many an anemone sees an enemy anemone? Okay, I will try my best. Many an... scheiße, jetzt habe ich wieder falsch gemacht. Ey, aber man hat 3 Sekunden Zeit, um 3 Sätze zu lesen. Ich glaube, selbst auf Deutsch wäre das schwer für mich. Not gonna lie. That concludes our introduction class. Thank you very much for coming. Ah, thanks for the interesting lesson. I'm afraid if you are truly interested in a voice-related career, you would need to quit a bit of training here at our school first. I'm sure you can tell us from introduction class that you have many areas of weakness. But don't you worry, Sawamura-san. We can help you. We will support you every step that you work toward the dreams. But I really don't have time for that right now. I only took class because it was free. I know what you're thinking. Your life is so busy already. And you just don't have time. Yes, I'm afraid that's true. I'm sorry, but I can't enroll into your school. Not to worry. We also have a home study kit for business students like you. You can train in your spare time at home. Pardon? The kit includes a textbook on proper language usage and an anthology of 1,000 tongue twisters as well. They can be yours for only 500,000 yen. What? 500,000? At least. That's the usual price. But because you already have found it, we could give you the discounted price for only 490,000. Oh no, Segusa-sensei, are you sure? That's far too much of a discount for these wonderful materials. Yes, well, Miss Sawamura is truly special. She deserves the opportunity. What do you say? But I don't have that kind of money. Think of it as an investment into your future. It may seem like a lot of money now, but in return, we will be worth it. Both me and Fujimoto think that these materials will earn you the proper use of language and gain confidence into your skills. Me and Fujimoto-san think? I thought you said that's incorrect. Shouldn't it be Fujimoto-san and I think? Oops. Segusa-sensei, what are you thinking?
すみません。
I'm sorry, but I don't have that kind of money. I'm afraid I wouldn't buying your